Happy Monday, class, and welcome to Unit 4. I can't believe how quickly the weeks are passing. At the end of this week, we are going to be halfway through our term together, and I just wanted to come on and give you some uplifting words, some words of encouragement, as I know that this is a really busy time of year for many of us. If you're a parent, there are a lot of activities for those of you who have kids in school as we're wrapping up the school year, and it's just a busy time in general as we gear up towards the summer. I wanted to remind you to dig deep and to remember all the skills and strategies that we've learned so far, both the Covey habits and just the strategies that we've learned from our reading about managing our time, communicating effectively, and finding ways to be able to participate in our course discussions in a meaningful way that will help you and your classmates as you learn the information and learn new skills and strategies to help benefit you not only in college but also in your career. This week we are moving into Unit 4, and I wanted to show you a few tips or maybe some course features that you weren't aware of that I think might be helpful as we move into the midterm. The first is, if you come to the left side of our course Blackboard menu, you'll be able to click on Course Information. And on that course information, it will list the course, but it will also give you a syllabus that you can click on, and it gives you your course evaluation, your breakdown of how much each assignment is worth towards your total score in the course. So if you notice, your discussion boards posts are worth 30%, your journals are 20%, your interactive exercises and quizzes are 20%, your midterm exam is 15%, your final exam is 15%. So as you can see, that's a pretty large percentage of your grade that your midterm exam will count. So you want to make sure this week that you're using those time management strategies early in the week to begin taking notes, reviewing material, because the midterm exam is cumulative, meaning it will cover everything from units 1 to 4. So use your time wisely and review your old notes if you have them. If not, it's a great time to begin going back to those previous chapters and taking notes so that you have some effective notes to use as you begin your midterm exam this week. If you come to the link right here for Unit 4 this week, you will see that listed for the week are our objectives and our activities. And then you have your normal links, your links for readings and resources, for the interactive exercises, and for your discussion board and midterm exam. I've noticed as I check on which course features you're accessing that many of you are neglecting to access the interactive exercises and some of the reading and videos. So I just wanted to remind you, because this week is a bit of a heavy week reading-wise, to go through early and begin reading these chapters. In chapters 2 and 6 this week, we're going to be discussing knowing yourself as a learner and also some studying strategies, memory, and test-taking tips, so that hopefully you'll be ready to go for our midterm this weekend. You also have a really helpful Covey video for Habit 2, begin with the end in mind. And also don't forget that I also post my own discussion thread under the discussion board. For each week, I start my own discussion thread and give you some helpful information. This week, I'll have a little self-assessment that might help you determine your learning style, so be sure to check that. You also, under the announcements page, have all the announcements from our course so far, so please make sure that you're reading those each week. I'm here to support you in whatever way I can, so please reach out to me if you need me. Let's make it a fantastic week.